Yo, what is up guys? This is Jake and we are back with another tutorial, and this time it's going to be covering how to dramatically reduce your file size from whatever video you are producing for whatever reason. This technique will virtually cut your file size in half or lower, and it will greatly reduce your upload time to YouTube or wherever you are uploading it. And it's really simple, and hope you enjoy this tutorial and hope you find it useful. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to tell you guys that this was a little giveaway thing that I was doing for the Graphics Nation. And this time around, when I render this, I render it in QuickTime Movie because that's the best quality I can get for the screen cap program. And the files used to exceed a pretty large amount, and my upload time was around 30 minutes because I have the absolute worst upload speed in the history of the internet. So it would take me around 30 minutes to upload like a 3-minute tutorial, and now it's taken me 8 minutes. So it's really helpful to me because my upload speed is like 0.31, but I make it work. So let's just get right into it. And this is not actually going to be the actual tutorial. I'm going to pause it whenever I render this, and I'm going to restart it. So whatever clip you're going to do, you want to render it out, and you can render it out the first time as whatever you want. So I'm going to render this out as a QuickTime Movie, so I'm just going to go to Produce and Share, and then I'm just going to YouTube HD preset, next, and then I'll save it, that was weird, and then I'll just save it as tut. And then, alright, now it's rendering, and I will see you back when it's done, and I will meet you in Sony Vegas. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back, and it has rendered out. That wasn't a very long render, so I'm just going to hit finish in Camtasia Studio, and let's just go into Sony Vegas real quick. I'm going to go to wherever I saved it as. That would be around, is this it? Nope, that's not it. Oh, what did I save it as? Saved it as tut. There we go. I believe I believe that's it. Yep, that's it. Alright, I'm just gonna do my video production stuff. Go to maintain aspect ratio, disable resample, go to sharpen, and let's just add that right here. Alright, and I'm just gonna highlight this whole video right there. And now here comes the magic. You just want to go to, you just want to hit render as, and then I'm going to render it to my desktop. And you want to make sure save as type is on video for Windows, and the template is the default template, and it is uncompressed. And I'm just going to save it as untitled to my desktop, and I will meet you back when this is done rendering. And we are back, and it has rendered out, and I'm just going to close that out, and I'm going to go show you the file size right now. Right, it is 22.6 gigabytes, and that is normal for AVI. And if you ever have rendered an AVI, you know it is laggy and it is horrible, and you would never want to upload that to YouTube. But the program will only work with this. It has to be uncompressed AVI, and so you're going to end up with a very large file depending on how long your video is. But I'm going to need you to check in the description right now for the download link to this program that we will be encoding this in. It's called, let me just find it on my desktop, it's called Easy H.264, and if you ever know what H.264, it is the MP4. It's basically just MP4, and this is what it looks like when you open up the main folder. You have 3 text documents, an application, and then some presets in the bin. You just want to open up the Easy H.264, and let's just close that out. Alright, and I'm going to close it out, and I'm going to close it out, and I'm going to close that one out, and I'm going to close that out. There we go. So we just wanted to select the video file that we had just rendered, so let's just go check our desktop. It is right there, untitled, and see, it shows up because it is an uncompressed AVI, and that's the only way it will show up. So you do have to render it in uncompressed AVI. So we're just going to hit open, and then the output file, this is what you want it to be called wherever you save it, so I'm just going to call it output. And for the options, you want to be whatever you recorded your footage as, which was 29.97 for me. And if you say you're doing it for gaming, like a HOG capture is 59.94, but there's really no reason to do that because YouTube only takes up to 29.97, and the preset you want it to be Extreme HD 720p. And then you're just going to hit start encoding, and this will take a very long time. It'll probably take half the time that you rendered, so however fast your computer is, that is it's going to take about half that time. So just hit OK, and then you're going to get this fancy menu up, and then I just suggest closing this out and go in to eat a sandwich or something, because it will slow down your computer dramatically if you are running more than this program. So I will meet you back and with the finished file size, and hopefully it'll work. Stay tuned. Alright, we are back, and it is done encoding, and you will get this little pop-up menu that says completed conversion. So just click OK, and then we can get rid of the EasyH.264. And let's just check my desktop real quick so we can find it. Actually not. I'm going to go over here. And then let's find it. Okay, we see this right here, the output that we just rendered. It's 3 minutes 40 seconds, and it's 20.3 megabytes. And this one, it was 3 minutes 40 seconds, 22.6 gigabytes. Now you may be thinking, well, just because you rendered an AVI, it's going to give you this massive file size, and then you're going to decrease it to this 20.3 megabyte file size. But even if you rendered it as a QuickTime movie or a Windows Media video, it would still exceed probably 100 megabytes or even up to 200 megabytes. So this is a, I'm going to call it revolutionary way to decrease your file size in virtually under 10 minutes. So guys, hope you enjoyed the tutorial, hope you found it very useful, and I'm glad that I could share this with you guys, and hope to see your feedback in the comments or anywhere else where I may post this. So guys, thank you for your time. As always, have a good day, and see you later.